In today's video, we are going to share the 2 best rice flour face packs for skin whitening. There are many women who still believe in adopting the traditional ways of getting that flawless and radiant skin, among which, the rice flour face pack is the widely used option. The white flour not only helps in giving you light skin tone but also help in fighting against the dead skin when mixed with other ingredients. It is also used for removing facial hair and body hair too. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Here are the 2 best rice face packs that can help you out without any kind of chemicals added to it. Rice flour with lemon juice and turmeric. Rice flour, when mixed with turmeric and lemon juice, makes a magical pack that works the best on dark spots. It works as a cleanser and gives you that bright touch you have desired. To make the mixture, simply take 3 teaspoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice and a pinch of turmeric in a bowl. Mix the ingredients properly, forming a lump-free paste. Apply the paste on your face and leave it for nearly 15 minutes. Rinse with water of normal temperature. Apply some light moisturizer after washing as your skin might dry due to the lemon juice, rice flour, honey, and oats face pack. This is the most opted rice flour face pack for skin whitening. The ingredients are mixed with honey that works well for brightening the skin too. The oats help in exfoliating the dead skin cells and also flush out the impurities in the skin. To make the pack, you require 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of oats, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of cold milk. Take a bowl and mix all the ingredients well. Stir until it forms a lump-free smooth paste. Apply this rice flour for face scrub pack on your face and gently massage for nearly 5 to 10 minutes in a circular position. Allow the pack to dry. When dry, wash away using cold water. Don't dry your face roughly, just pat it to dry. If you want to see more such skincare tips, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family.